khublei shibun fibro kajing petip hawede barka DSC is khasi hill barka DSC jongga is jaintia hill district esngap bha basabai ke video kane kadai namta ban extend biang ye Tarik ban apply online namta gini post DSC bade po is khasi hill Shillong. This is for general information that the district selection committee DSC is khasi hill Shillong has decided to extend the last date for online application for the advertisement. Tela extend biang tehajisha kalade ban kut kelas date du 3 September ten namar bangnel ongba due to the increase in the number of vacancy recently submitted by the respective offices. Interested candidates are requested to visit the website and can apply the vacant post till 10 September, after which the link will be disabled. Tela don update jumpi ki bompat apply nam tagni post ki grade 4 grade 3 imta pion ki LDA ki baro ki baron kumba pras pa tama e post apo is khasi hill nadu ki classic terter grade 4 gidon ki class 6 class 8 kumta terter grade 3 beda gidon ki class 12 terter tera don update jumpi ki kwa ban apply pempat apply menta tesa len okloi ban pendep ya kane ban apply nam tagni post DSC apo is khasi hill tesa kawi ke jing betip kabade apo is jaintia hill district Khliehriat ane bune ka written exam nam tagane mo notice for written examination kabadai jongi post for DSC hi. This is for general information of all eligible candidates that the district selection committee is Jaintia Hill district Khliehriat will conduct a written examination for the post of LAITKAM typist as per advertisement white number EJDS 2013-39 dated 14 March 2024 by the district selection committee as per schedule. Te yakane kana ka post tang yakane ko post ma ki penlong exam ka nimra post LAITKAM typist date of examination kandai 4 September 2024 tesga bhag ki apply yakane ki post ki bade hapo Khliehriat is Jaintia Hill te ka admit card ban download kandai 3 September 2024 te salai ban download no hangne la dabang ba admit card for appearing for the examination above may be downloaded and printed from the official district website through the link isjaintiahill.gov.in by filling in their detail. Candidate facing problem in downloading the e-admit card can visit National Informatics Center and District Selection Committee branch, DC Office Khliehriat with valid ID proof, supporting document with passport size photograph. Teki badai na po Khliehriat teki la ban let me po Khliehriat la da phi don jinge ban download ya kata ka admit card namta kane ki post LAITKAM typist nrei katkum kane ka notice bagi pelaj ong ba la da phi kwa ban download ikan admit card jongpi phila ban let ha website jong kane isjaintiahill.gov.in by filling their detail. Kiba apply namta kane ka post LAITKAM typist jong kane ka DSC po is Jaintia Hill ka bapan mi hau khasau 3 March 2024 te phila aban download no admit card jongpi namta ka exam ka ban long 4 September 2024 tengan pen EP kumno ban download ya kata ka admit card namta ka LAITKAM typist apo is Jaintia Hill DSC is Jaintia Hill ten dapla le po ka website kene ka website is jaintiahill.gov.in ka bala thong ne tengan sabu paling po description sampai ten da bila login lembaga mobile ne lembaga no laptop ne kano te here sha po do ka homepage ten kasadon kane ka site hang ne kane ka liang kane mo la thong tu download admit card for lower division assistant written examination tenga thrai la nang hi thrai ban page hang tu te sa click ye kane da bila click you are being directed then sa panda bi detail ki jong phin na kamta ban download ya admit card Thoh office DSC is Jaintia Hill dan admit card dan pendap ki detail ki jong phi pendap hang ne is Jaintia DSC is Jaintia Hill kang tu is Jaintia Hill dan klik hang ne kadai written examination dan kalami hang tu dan download the Thoh first name date of birth pendap hang tu submit layo admit card te tangkan nei khublei shibun.